Why does your scanner show the P138B engine code? What does it mean? P138B is a diagnostic trouble code for glow plug module system voltage. This engine code indicates that this is a manufacturer-specific code that often appears in diesel engines and requires immediate attention, as it can lead to poor starting in cold weather and a limp mode with reduced power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Glow plug control module failure, wiring issues, loose connections, faulty circuit breaker, external damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford vehicles, such as the Ford F-350 and Ford Focus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.